That was a good track. I'm glad we walked all the way through from the other side.
We've never seen it.
Nope.
It's awesome.
Trees are pretty.
It's gorgeous. The sun's shining off that color.
Yep, finally peeked out. Big sky. All right, I'm gonna unload the truck.
Our goal is to try to put a pre-hung door in here so that we can get in and out of this room without going outside and opening the double doors. We have the flooring set up. We're going to be working on that today. But we were talking about building an addition onto the tiny house and connecting it right here. What do you guys think?